Good morning students. How are you? Once again I welcome you for computer online class. Hope you all are doing well at home after long time. Again I think you might be seeing back to me. Okay. So how is your day is going on? Fine? Okay. See, today we will do from lesson 3 the last exercise. Already we have completed all the exercise and question answer. The fourth exercise is left. Here it has been asked that to do the following things, which option you will use. So shall we start? Okay, come to the first one. To change how a windows look and to personalize your desktop. If you want your desktop, the background of your desktop, the wallpaper, if you want to change the looks of the desktop, so you will go to which option? You will click which option? That is customize the desktop. You have to click on where? You have to click on customize the desktop. You have to click on customize the desktop. This option you have to click. After that you can do according to your wish which looks you want, appearance you want. Now come to the second one. To add many useful tools like a clock tool, a calendar tool and a weather tool to Windows desktop. If you want to add in the window, in the taskbar, if you want to add your clock or weather tool, so where you have to go, which option you have to click first, that is in your gadgets. You have to do right click on the desktop and select gadgets, the gadgets menu, then the gallery will open. Which tools you want, you have to click on that. So first, to get these tools, you have to select which option? Gadgets option. That is known as what? You have to go to what? Gadgets option. Now come to the third one. To create a new folder. If you want to create a new folder or file, so where you have to go? You have to click on which option? Select new and then folder option. Okay. You have to select what? New. Then folder option. As you know, you have to do right click. Then from the sub menu, lots of options will come. From there, you have to select on new. After new, if you want to create folder, click on folder option. If you want to create a file, click on file option. Now come to the next one. To change the name of an existing file or folder. Already the name is there, the existing file and folder. You want to change the name. So where you have to go? Option is, yes, it is rename option. Where you have to go? You have to go to rename option. When rename will come, if you click on rename option, there you click the cursor here, type that whichever name you want to type, you can change the name. Then to delete a file or folder, if you want to remove or delete a file and folder, which option you are going? You are going to delete option. Okay. Here also you can do select the file or folder and click delete key from the keyboard, or else right click and from there you choose the option delete option, the file or folder will be deleted. See, I am telling you all the answers once again. The first answer is customize the desktop. If you want to change the personalize, what is that? Customize the desktop. Next is what? Gadgets. Which option? It is gadgets option. Then comes to third one, that is select new, then choose what? Folder option. You have to select new, then the folder option. Okay, you just mention it, then the folder option, or you can choose folder option. To change the name of an existing file, that is rename. Then the last one is delete option. To remove a file or folder, which option? Delete option. Customize the desktop, gadget, select the new, then the folder option, rename and delete. Just have a look. Is it clear? Okay, see, just to write down all the question answers who all have received your notebook. You please write down in a neat and clean handwriting in your notebook all the question answers. Okay? Okay students, thank you for listening my online class. All of you take care and be safe at home.